I never really expected to meet a talking potato, but he promised to give us like a free day in his life tour around the factory. And
it's kind of dark if you really think about it.
I don't really get why he's being so excited about it. Like, he's only like one rotten spot away from being like, you know.
Something's up with Spudsy. I don't know what, but it's not good.
Yeah, Sam said Spudsy seems different. I got that too. Someone's got to talk to him. Look, what's up?
Yeah, we know you've been really nervous lately.
I mean, I thought you were excited to show us the potato process.
Yeah. Yeah, like you're telling us your lifehood dream.
Of being a chef baked potato.
Yeah, he's not bruised. Maybe his ego is, but not him, like literally.